Welcome to Auto Empire, the trusted marketplace that deals in second-hand car sales since 2012. Today we have luxury sedan in our stock, which is Audi A6 S line. This blue-colored car is available in diesel and is 2015 model. It has LED headlights, follow me home headlamps, fog lights and LED tail lights. The capacity of the fuel tank is 75 liters and this car has been driven around 1 lakh kilometers. The mileage of this car is 16.66 kilometers per hour. And come, let's have a closer look of this car and talk about its interiors.
They can't ever break us down, 'cause we're golden. They about to see us glow, 'cause we're golden.
गाड़ी में आप जैसे ही बैठेंगे आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक स्टीयरिंग है, जो कि आप इलेक्ट्रिकली एडजस्ट कर सकते हो अपनी हाइट के अकॉर्डिंग. Talking about the interiors of the car, as you can see, they are given a very nice wood finish. Let's talk about the showstopper of this car, which is this display screen. So as you can see, the screen has appeared over here. We are going to first check out the car settings. Here you can select the mode in which you want to drive the car. It can be the individual mode, the dynamic mode, the auto mode or the comfort mode. Checking out the car once. Here you can select the way you want to drive the car. It can be individual, the dynamic mode, the auto mode or the comfort mode. You can select and adjust accordingly. The second option we have here is of telephone, where you can connect your device and accordingly you can select the directory and can talk on the phone. The third option you have here is of navigation. You can just have a look while following just like the Google. The fourth option we have here is of media, where you can open and connect your device. With the connected device you can play the song. Talking about the steering is equipped with the controls, and here you can also see we are having the volume buttons also. You can adjust the steering and the controls accordingly. Let's talk about this car. The car is automatic transmission, and along with this we have the sports mode also in the car. As I told you in the beginning, the car is having 7 gears in sports mode, and this is how the handbrake works. So you are going to control your screen with this dial only. We also have the radio, the entertainment volume buttons over here for the person who is sitting over here, and for the steering we have for the person who is driving the car, we are having on the steering. So this is basically high-end design car with full comfort. You are provided here with 2 cup holders. Along with that, you can put some storage over here. You are also provided with the aux and the USB cables. Let's talk about the showstopper of this car, which is the sunroof. The sunroof is electrically adjustable, and you can adjust it according to your comfort. The one thing which I love about the girls is you guys can do the makeup happy. Why? Because once you flap it up, you can see the lights get on, and once you flap it off, the lights get off. For the safety of the passengers and drivers, we are having 7 airbags in the car. Our car has more than 6 plus Bose speakers, and the quality of the speakers is actually amazing. So this Audi A6 can accommodate 5 people. Talking about the comfort, for the people who are sitting at the back, we are providing you 2 entertainment screens and 2 rear AC vents. With that, you are provided an armchair so that you can just keep your hand and relax in the car. You are also provided with 2 cup holders. The boot space is comprised of 530 liters, and you can see that you are given ample space to keep your luggage. You are provided with the Bridgestone tires, which are 18 inches. Along with that, alloy wheels are also there. This Audi A6 has the engine of 1968 cc. With inline diesel engine, the maximum power of this car is 190 bhp and 400 Nm torque. Done with the interiors of the car, let me tell you the final price of this car. So the final price of this car is 13 lakhs and 65,000. It is a single owner owned car, and this car has the insurance valid up to September 2024. So what are you waiting for? If you want to grab this luxury dream car at your home, just call on this given number today.